Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the crew error code false start 30. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into Motorfest but are unable to access the game. According to our research, the error is related to connectivity or licensing issues, and in some cases, server maintenance may also cause this error. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to update Ubisoft Connect. Simply open the Ubisoft Connect app and check if an update is available. If yes, update it and then try launching the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, turn off your Wi-Fi router and wait for a few minutes. Then turn it back on and launch the game. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot, and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try restoring licenses. To do so on your console, go to the settings and select the option to restore licenses. Once done, relaunch the game and check for the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, try disconnecting from the internet completely, then start the game and wait for it to reach the Start Your Engine screen. Once there, reconnect to the internet and continue. If you still get the error, then try using a VPN to connect. Then launch the game and see if the error goes away. At last, if nothing helps, visit ubisoft.com/en-us/help/connectivity and performance and check if Ubisoft servers are down for maintenance. If servers are down, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.